If you have a local business and your business page is not showing or appearing on Google Maps, then I'm going to introduce you to something that's going to change that. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to rank your business page at the top of Google Maps. I'm going to be showing you the secrets inside this video today. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so I'm going to introduce you to a little something called Optimized with Profile Pro. This is a great Chrome plugin that also has a freemium plan, okay? And what it does, it gets your business to the top of Google Maps by completely optimizing your GMB page or your Google My Business page, okay? And basically turns it into a community via the power of AI, okay? So it is a Chrome plugin, so you simply search for it and then add it to your Chrome. And when it's installed, you can see on your GMB page, so I've just set up this dummy page here now, we've got this little pink box here, Optimized with Profile Pro. So I'm going to click on that, and it's basically going to go through all the different options with me and create an amazing page, but also have lots of different features for you to be able to respond to people, update products, do updates for your business, etc. using AI. So let's go ahead and which option describes you better? I want to rank my business higher. It is really cool, guys. So I really hope you stick around to wait until we get into it. And it says, it looks like we've not optimized this profile yet. Of course, we've just set it up. Let's go. So my business is a software business. Business specializes in creating software for, let's just say, education companies. All right. My business is located in Bangkok, Thailand, shall we say. No, do you know what? Just because I want this to appear in English, even though I've set the location to Thailand, let's just say London, UK, right? I don't want anything to go wrong for this video. And here we go. So here is Profile Pro in a nutshell. So we can see it's split into kind of two areas, right? And this is really, really cool. You've got these do once tasks, and then you've got do weekly tasks. So essentially, when you've done the done once tasks, you then go on to the weekly planner. And if you do these simpler tasks every single week, it's going to make your GMB profile skyrocket up in the rankings on Google Maps and get you that organic traffic, get you free organic traffic, okay? You really want to be, going at this. You don't want to set and forget it. You want to be constantly updating it, constantly improving it, and it makes it a lot easier, a lot less manual using this Profile Pro plugin, believe me. So do once, okay? Optimize your business description. That's obviously one of the most important ones. So let's click on that and give it an example. And it says your business description should include as many of your target keywords as possible. Let's make you an SEO optimized description that you can use to replace your current one, okay? So let's go. And I'm going to click generate business description, and it's going to do this via the options that I selected when we first set this up. So let's click on that. And as we can see here, we've used a professional tone, and it's got next-gen AI, a leading software business based in London, UK, team of skilled developers, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so we can go ahead, regenerate this response, or change the tone of voice, or we can mark it as done. Okay, so I'm going to go. Obviously, I don't want this to appear as a real business, so I'm hoping I can just go back here. There we go. Yeah, awesome. Find the right category for your business. Again, this is really, really important, okay? Setting the right primary and additional categories for your profile is important to rank higher in the search engine queries. Let's give you some ideas based on your type of business. So we can go, let's go. And again, we're using the AI here to generate the suggestions. And again, we've got those here. So we can mark that as done. And you can see we're doing it step by step, but I think it's the weekly things here is where the value is going to save you the most time. For example, replying to customers, etc. We'll get that in a second. Add the best services to your profile. Let's go. Okay, so generate a services list. And again, similar sort of thing. The AI is analyzing the business and it's coming up with all the different recommended services we can list under. Generate your product descriptions. Okay, so this is really cool. For example, if you're selling products, we want to get started and added some products. So let's just say you were, I don't know, a wedding company. You might want to put like, I don't know, bouquets of flowers or cakes or things like that. And you can go ahead, set the category, and you can see this thunder icon here, this pink icon. And basically what it'll do is it'll create the product description, SEO optimized product description using the power of AI, okay? So we've created some products. Let's go back to this. We've got generate your service descriptions too. Okay, so these are the do once things. Once you've done all these things, you won't have to do them again unless your business changes. Now, it's the do weekly tasks. These are the things, in my opinion, that are going to really kind of elevate your Google My Business profile to hit those top rankings on Google Maps as fast as possible. You really should treat this as a community. You should be replying to customers' reviews, replying to customers' messages, posting regular updates, etc. And it's got a do weekly planner here. So posted an update with an image. So this company recommends, and these guys, the people who've created this tool are experts on local SEO, and they've created this tool to serve their customers. So you could also use this to actually, if you're an SEO, if you're part of an agency, you can also do this to service your clients too. We find that businesses post at least once per week with an SEO optimized message and a unique image, not a stock image. They rank higher in local search results. So you want to be doing this as regularly as they say. So let's go. We can add an update. So basically this sends out an update to all your customers on Google. We can add an offer. We can add an event. Okay, let customers know you're an event you're hosting, or create an offer to attract customers. Let's go add for update. Okay, so we can add a description or add photo or video here. Now, this app will not only create the description, it'll actually use AI to generate photos or unique images if you wanted to, right? Using the power of AI. So let's click here. And okay, so once again, professional tone. We can set the topic, and here's your SEO optimized post. You should post at least 1 to 3 times per week on your Google My Business profile and use real images of your business to rank higher. So we can actually go ahead and read this through. We can copy and paste it, or we can mark it as done. We can even set the topic, okay? Oops, okay, so I'm on the free plan. So if I want to change the topic, I'd have to upgrade to one of the paid plans. And I think you get, there's a $1 plan, and there's a $9 plan or something like that. So we'll take a look at the plans later on. Really, really reasonable, guys. But again, we want to be doing, what did it say, 3 of these updates a week. And we only want to throw some offers in there or some community stuff. So here we go, respond to customer reviews. Okay, so this is absolute gold, right, guys? So when a customer leaves a review, I haven't got any reviews right now because it's a dummy business. But if they had reviews, what it would do is the AI would actually read their review, and it would generate a response based on what they've said. So it would reply to them and address them by name. Really, really cool, guys. If you want to see all that in action, okay, when you install the Chrome plugin, click on the Chrome plugin, you can go to watch our training video here, and it'll basically take you through absolutely everything, okay? That to me is a massive time saver. Not personalized response, addressing them by name, and it's taking into account what they've said in the review in your reply. Really, really awesome. And you want to make sure you're replying to every single customer. Responding to questions, exactly the same thing, okay? Again, a massive, massive time saver using AI to do that. Getting a new review. So getting at least 1 5-star review each week is the most important thing you can do to rank faster, according to the makers of Profile Pro. Again, reviews can be difficult, but it's worth the effort. It's as easy as sending your Google review request link to your customers, okay? So we can go ahead and get a new review, or also upload a new image. So it shows your products, your store, your service trucks, anything that represents your business, okay? We've even got a video here showing absolutely everything you can do. I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to mute this and see if we can get the customer replies, because that was really impressive. So again, we've got the images, etc. Let's get to there we go, customer replies. So it's using the AI to generate a response, and yeah, it's address them by name. Thanks so much for sending your feedback. We're delighted to hear you had a good experience so far. We appreciate your support. Really nice, pleasant answer. And it saves you going through loads and loads of different questions, and it saves you going through loads and loads of different reviews, etc. Again, a massive time saver. And you want to make sure you're doing this regularly and engaging with your community. And again, I'd probably watch this video because it'll show you absolutely everything, all questions, and you can respond to them via AI exactly the same there. And if you go on to this page, guys, it's got loads of different reviews and testimonials for this product. Again, I think if I had a local business or I was involved in local SEO, this to me is one of the best ways that you can boost your Google My Business profile and, of course, rank higher on Google Maps. Local SEO is absolutely exploding at the moment. It is much, much easier to rank for than it is traditional SEO right now. So guys, take advantage of that. So once again, the app is called Profile Pro. It's a Google My Business SEO AI tool, and like I say, I think it's a really great idea to add this to your business if you've got a local business or if you've got clients who are in the local space as well. So hopefully you enjoyed that kind of product review. I'm always looking out for products like this to review on this channel. So if you have any tools you want me to review, please comment in the descriptions below and I'll add them to my content calendar moving into 2025, guys. We're in the last month of 2024. We got big plans for this channel next year, so stay tuned. And on the topic of local SEO, if you are in the local SEO space or you own a local business or you're part of an agency that services local SEO clients and you want to create compelling AI written SEO content to basically hit those rankings in Google as fast as possible on autopilot, then the best platform for that, you've seen me talk about this before, it's called Journalist AI. Go to my link below, guys, or go to tryjournalist.com. If you do go to my link in below, I've got an exclusive discount. I'm one of the only people with this discount, so you make sure you get that from me. Just by entering in your email address through my link below, you get 3 free articles straight off the bat, no credit card required, okay? So no risk to you whatsoever. You can try it before you buy. It's got loads of different SEO tools available, specific as well, or really useful for local SEO businesses, okay? It's really great. You can just generate these SEO articles, or you can put news on your local business site if you want to. That's another option as well. And you can simply just create articles using keywords. So I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, and I can also set up the auto blogger for autopilot. We can also upload all the different keywords you want to rank for, and it'll just create content, drip feed content to your website, to your blog as well. You can even come up with ideas and post some of that content on your Google My Business profile if you want to, okay? And it takes care of a lot of the time-consuming things. For example, look at this piece here on baking bread. Comes up with a table of contents. You got all the SEO optimization here ready for it to rank. H2s, H3s, etc., YouTube videos, and it also takes care of the internal, external links. This is a massive time saver, guys. And if you're not happy with certain parts of it, you can let the AI edit it, make it longer, make it shorter, make it into a table, add extra keywords, or even add extra links here like this, and the AI engine will take care of it all. Really awesome too, guys. Bam, bam, there's some extra links there for you, okay? So once again, that's Try Journalist AI. I think definitely get started with Profile Pro, and then also bulk out your website blog content with Try Journalist AI. That's a winning combo to me. All right. So once again, my name is Steve from NextGen AI. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much.